गया नेपाल में. We are in Chandragiri today. सही में by the way. Get out of here. Soon sometime. You reached? Did we?
We are in Thankot right now.
Okay.
We're going to Chandragiri. We didn't take a direct bus because we didn't get. So we're walking.
Yeah, wait for 10 minutes walk I suppose.
That's what they say.
That's what they said.
How's the food?
I'm going. Where's this now?
Chola.
Which one? Whoa. Wow. That's a long chadai after this.
अभी हम लोग पिंग खेलने जा रहे हैं.
Hey, what are you doing? नेपाल में साल का सबसे बड़ा त्योहार होता है दशई. What is this thing called? Ping. It's made of what? Looks like a tree. Okay.
देखो पीछे क्यों देखो क्यों.
चाहे कितनी भी दूरी हो, सफर कितना भी लंबा हो, परिवार, अपने यार दोस्त सबको घर खींच लाता है दशई. खुशियां मनाने, पिंग खेलने. These huge swings are made locally and sometimes are as big as 20 feet.
Sit properly. Are you comfortable?
And it's the first time.
Two kids to help Vivek.
Come closer.
खै तिमीले एनर्जी नै भएन. अलि बेसरी धकाल्नु पर्यो. I'll give you. See, उसे करते हुए देखो क्या? She'll stand and do it. Pros.
And this is how pros do it. Heavy. Whoa, Spider-Man. Whoa. That was fun.
Okay, that thing, no, we usually make that only during Dashera.
Okay.
दशैं नेपाली दशैं.
Okay.
तो अभी खत्म हुआ है ना दशैं.
हाँ.
So after दशैं and we have done, they'll remove this.
Oh.
That won't be there for the whole time.
Okay.
It's only during those festival time.
Okay. Nice. Oh, so that was on the way to Chandragiri. That was ping swing. Now let's carry on with Chandragiri. This is it. You've reached. Whew. They said what? 10 minutes of walk. They didn't say it's 10 minutes of climb. Cut 10 minutes.
It was 10 minutes. We stopped to eat. We stopped to swing. अभी we will take one mandatory shot. इसके सामने ऐसे करके.
I've taken the ticket.
There's one more heart over here.
She and I have photo shoots, man.
But we know where to take it.
Yeah, good.
The heart is weird.
Good, good.
It's not heart. It's Panparag.
Let's go to the cable car. Queue. Always a queue. Inside the car now. So excited.
मुझे ऊंचाई से डर नहीं लगता, पर किसी किसी को लगता है, तो चाहे तो आप स्किप करें या फिर आगे देखते रहें.
How was that? We've reached Chandragiri hilltop.
We are in Chandragiri hilltop. There's a temple up there.
You want to miss this view though? Check this view out.
This is Kathmandu cover.
That's Kathmandu there.
We are in Bhaleshwar Mahadev right now. उधर ऊपर जाके हम लोग को दर्शन करना होगा. And we have to take our shoes. Then only we can go in there. And it's very cold. It's very very cold.
कहते हैं इस मंदिर में सच्चे दिल से मांगी हुई ख्वाहिशें पूरी हो जाती है. Also, they say that journey to this pilgrimage site is a way of securing your ticket to Shivalok in the afterlife.
So this was Bhaleshwar Mahadev temple, situated at 83,069 feet. Hey, where to now?
Again back to cable car. Back home. Are you hungry? We can go to that top restaurant.
Khana time. So cold, it's getting so cold. When we came, it was like normal. This coffee is damn good. It's yummy. It costed how much? This coffee costed $50. It's yummy momo. How much? 200. All of these are like NPR. We're done. We're done with this place. Avi, where to now?
Let's get down.
It was a beautiful escape from the city rush. आप भी आओगे तो एक फुल डे का प्लान लेकर आना. एक नया दिन और एक नई जगह के साथ फिर मिलेंगे. All in all, this was day 7.